So I just wanted to share a quick snippet of what I'm doing here to my craft armoire. This is the current design that I have on it. I added that contact wallpaper years ago to this thrifted armoire that I bought secondhand. It just houses all of my craft items like this. I've done like a reorganization video a few months back, and right now I'm doing a refresh because I'm trying to move things around in my craft corner. But I have had these stickers here. They were thrifted many years ago, and I've only been able to get through parts of the pack. It came like this. It's like a roll I found at the thrift store. It looks like it came from like a scrapbook shop once upon a time. Really pretty design, and I've used this for some DIYs, but as you can tell, there's just so much on this roll to go through. So I figured, you know, why not make use of some of these stickers that I've had for years and decorate this armoire with it. I decided to remove the contact paper, which was this pattern here, just to give it a refresh. I'm sure this would look better if I painted the background in a bright color, possibly like a white or off-white, but I'm not going with too intense of a DIY right now. Any projects that have to go, you know, along the painting lines or anything like that. I'm trying to do a quick updo or refresh to this armoire without having to pull out the paint or get too deep into refurbishing this piece, because again, I just wanted to utilize some stickers which I think are really pretty. I've already added these and I went with this pattern here. I was going to originally go with the all pink, but then I knew I had another roll of a different sticker, but luckily it was the same design, just in this really nice and bright white color, kind of a creamy white color, which actually stands out a lot better against this light wood finish. But I'll give you guys a sneak peek or glimpse at the outcome or the completed project once I have this done. Hopefully I have enough stickers to go fill up the entire armoire from top to bottom. But if I run out when I complete the top portion, then I may just have to go with a solid contact paper at the bottom, or use some of Dollar Tree's really pretty peel and stick wallpaper that they carry. I know I have some in my stash, so we shall see which direction this takes and what the finished look is. So I will give you guys a look once I have completed this DIY. Okay, here's the progress so far. I've completed both doors, the left and the right. I think it looks really pretty. It's gonna fit in really well with the whole shabby chic look I have going on in my living room. I am trying to embrace that style once again because it is one of my favorite decorating styles, shabby chic. So I think these colors here are perfect to fit in with the whole aesthetic. And the bottom I have not done yet, so I'm still deciding if I want to continue the same style or if I want to break it up with a solid contact paper. So that's where I'm at so far, and I'll jump back on once this is complete. So here is how it came out. As you can tell, lighting is different because it is later in the day, but I decided to go with this pretty peel and stick wallpaper from Dollar Tree, this really nice bird motif. I think it adds a nice contrast to this beautiful shapes that looks similar to like a hand stamped design. Sorry for the shadow. It is a sticker. It's like a clear vellum, but from a distance and during the daytime it looks like it's a hand stamped design, which I really like. So again, this is how it looks, and I think it came out super cute overall and will be a nice addition to my living space, just sort of blending in with all my other decor, even though this is a craft armoire. I'll take a final picture or video once I have this situated in its permanent spot. Probably during the day where there's better lighting. Here is the finished look of this craft armoire that I did a quick makeover to just by adding some peel and stick wallpaper as well as some stickers that I already had on hand. I love the outcome. I think this came out so beautiful. I'm excited to get back into using all of the things that are inside this cabinet here. This definitely makes me more motivated to want to craft. I think that making your furniture look different just with small touches like this that don't take up so much money or time can instantly make a difference. So I hope I gave you guys some good ideas, and I hope you'll follow me for more. Thanks for watching.